Across the United States, something historic is unfolding. In the face of militarized immigration raids, legal chaos, and a backlog of over 11 million cases, everyday Americans, immigrants and citizens alike, are stepping up, filing lawsuits, demanding change, and seeking a path forward. The system may be broken, but people are no longer staying silent. This isn't just an immigration update. It's the beginning of a legal and social uprising that could reshape the lives of millions. Legal storm in Los Angeles. USCIS faces federal lawsuit. In a bold move, Los Angeles and 7 other U.S. cities have launched a sweeping federal lawsuit against Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, accusing the agency of unlawful, militarized tactics that have targeted Latino communities without due process. Over the past several weeks, more than 60 raids have taken place at churches, schools, swap meets, job sites, and even medical clinics. The raids, conducted without proper judicial warrants, have resulted in the detention of hundreds, many of whom are legal residents or even U.S. citizens. The lawsuit cites grave violations of the Fourth and Fifth Amendments, including unlawful searches and systemic racial profiling. What was once immigration enforcement has now, critics argue, turned into a display of unchecked federal power. Los Angeles mayor and civil rights groups are calling it what it is: racialized, militarized immigration policing. This lawsuit is not just about one city. It signals a national reckoning on how federal immigration laws are enforced and who pays the price. A mother, a child, and the courtroom that sparked change. Amid the legal turbulence, one story has captured national attention. A Honduran mother, Maria, accompanied by her 2 children, one of whom is undergoing treatment for leukemia, was detained during a routine immigration check-in at a courthouse. Despite medical vulnerabilities and no criminal history, ICE transferred them to a detention center over 1,000 miles away. But Maria fought back. With the help of advocacy groups, her legal team filed a lawsuit, and they won her family's release. Her case is now the legal foundation for a broader movement aiming to restrict ICE's authority to conduct civil arrests in courthouses. If successful, this could establish nationwide precedent to protect vulnerable families and prevent future arrests in spaces where immigrants are supposed to feel safe. A new visa on the horizon? Washington weighs bold reform. In a surprising policy shift, the current administration is reportedly drafting a proposal for a new temporary visa aimed at essential undocumented workers. This visa, while not offering a green card or a direct path to citizenship, would allow undocumented immigrants in core industries like agriculture, caregiving, construction, food service, and housekeeping to legally live and work in the U.S. This initiative reflects a major acknowledgement. Millions of undocumented workers already sustain critical sectors of the American economy. These individuals pay taxes, raise families, and contribute meaningfully, yet have lived in fear for years. The proposed visa would offer temporary legal status, work authorization, and protection under labor laws. While the final details remain under development, the mere fact that this idea is gaining traction signals a crack in the political stalemate that has long paralyzed immigration reform. USCIS quietly speeds up green card and citizenship processing. Despite a staggering backlog of over 11.3 million immigration cases, the largest in U.S. history, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, is quietly fast-tracking certain types of applications. Immigration attorneys and applicants have reported receiving interview notices and approvals for green cards and naturalization in as little as 2 to 6 weeks. How is this happening in such a jammed system? The agency is reportedly prioritizing newly submitted, low-risk applications with complete documentation. If you're filing now and your case is clean, no prior denials, criminal flags, or complex histories, you may benefit from this administrative fast lane. Family-based petitions, N-400 naturalization forms, and employment-based green cards are all seeing movement faster than expected. However, experts caution that this window may close quickly due to political shifts or increased enforcement priorities. What this means for you: take control of your immigration future. In this rapidly changing landscape, the message is clear: Do not wait. If you're undocumented or have a pending case, now is the time to act. Know your rights. ICE cannot enter your home without a signed judicial warrant. You have the right to remain silent and to an attorney. File now. If you're eligible for a green card, citizenship, work permit, or asylum, start your paperwork immediately. The current processing surge may not last. Get professional help. Consult with a licensed immigration attorney, not social media influencers or unverified online sources. Stay prepared. Keep essential records accessible. Identification, tax filings, school enrollment, lease agreements, and medical documents. These can protect you during emergencies or court hearings. Document abuses. If you or someone you know has been unfairly targeted by enforcement actions, these new lawsuits could pave the way for future protections or legal claims. The bigger picture, from fear to resistance. What we are witnessing is more than a political news cycle. It's a turning point. The chaos of raids, the resilience of families like Maria's, and the quiet momentum in USCIS processing all tell a deeper story of fear giving way to resistance and silence turning into legal action. While the road ahead is uncertain, this moment offers more than despair. It offers a chance to organize, to speak up, and to finally claim the rights and recognition long denied to immigrant communities. Stay informed, stay alert, and above all, stay active. Subscribe to TriPoint Report for clear, unfiltered updates on U.S. immigration. More stories, more tools, and more truth delivered straight to you. Thank you for watching.